Discover the game-changing secrets to capturing your audience attention on YouTube. Master the art of crafting compiling thumbnails that leave viewers eager to click and watch. This essential guide is your key to thumbnail mastery and unstoppable viewer engagement. Today, let's transform thumbnail together with hands-on Canva magic. In Canva, we will explore features such as elements, tools, and drawing updates. In Element, we are going to get the background of our video. So let's choose a background and make it full screen. Or maybe this background, I like it better than black. So I will go with this background instead of black. You can also choose logos of YouTube, Insta, or any other apps from the store they have. These all features are free to use. Now I'm adding some text. So you just go to text and add it as a heading or subheading. Now the color we can't really see right now, so I'm going to change the location and color of this text what we have got. We'll adjust the location of the text. The reason why I'm not writing the whole sentence is because it's little harder to adjust the color and different things beside it. So what I'm doing, I'm just making them separate. So if I have to change something in how this, or if I have to change something in channel, I can change it. So for example, how this, I'm going to make it a little smaller, and channel I want a little bit larger. I want to add the picture of the channel which I want to analyze in this video. So I'm going to go to uploads and then upload the video of that channel, picture of that channel. We can move around anything, almost everything on this screen. So what I'm doing right now is adjusting according to what I am looking for. Okay, now I want to add arrow where it goes from channel to that channel picture. So I will go to elements and search for arrow. You can also make the changes in the font. So there are so many options we have. Just get whatever you want to out of these ones. You can also edit the picture with what we just uploaded. They have many designs or features, filters. There are so many options available here too, so you just play around and see what you are exactly looking for. I'm going to choose what I'm thinking, what kind of thumbnail I need for this video. So I will change the color a little bit. If you liked today's video, please consider subscribing it and like and share the video. Thank you.